That means the Colorado Trail, the actual trail, the single track trail, not that bicycle path. Let's get it done. It's been nice. It's been like open due to the clear cuts, of course, just the same as the approach into Highway 9. You know, between the pine beetles, warming winter temperatures, more severe fire seasons, droughts, thunderstorms, sometimes I wonder if I'm not able to hike through the golden age of hiking. You know, I don't know how much longer it's going to be before the whole rest of the forest kind of resembles what's behind me right now, and that's just the honest truth. I think that's one thing nice about the trail, is that it always reminds you that nothing's permanent. Just gives you kind of a different perspective on things. The world, your place in it, the nature of nature. Just got to slow down and appreciate it every little bit, you know? Because soon then a big machine is going to come and just lop down all the trees. What is it that this stand of trees is not able to do now that it's not here? You know, it has an effect. All these things have an effect. You think, like, you know, there's this big discussion. It's always like, leave no trace. You know, we got this side of outdoor ethics about how we're supposed to behave out here and all the rest of this sort of thing. All right, a lot of people talk, you know, it's just like, leave no trace. This is how you act in the backcountry, you know. Not talking enough about how we act in the front country, how we're behaving in our everyday sort of lives. So that has a big effect too. Just got to recognize that every action that we take has an equal and opposite reaction. Unless you're into post-Newtonian physics. And then I guess you're just a nihilist. This place is just decimated. It's kind of sad. These are some mountain views, right? Got some snow on some peaks. That's what everybody wants, snowy peaks. R.I.P Forest. Still climbing up this ridge, you know, I was getting all excited because the forest was starting to look good. And then there's like a truck out here. Go figure. Finally open up into this beautiful meadow. All that snow's coming off of the peak and feeding this stream back here. I'm both kind of just taking it in and looking for a campsite. There is one just behind me. I haven't made up my mind just yet, but real beautiful sunset in this meadow last night. It was really nice. So for today, I've already seen Unchained, Big Cypress, I believe, and Vista take off in the last half hour. A couple hikers up ahead of me. A couple hikers walking by. It's the morning of the 11th, making it day 9. Yeah, I don't know about you. This is the stuff of dreams right here. Beautiful views to the rear. Beautiful views to the front. Also just kind of hugging this contour right now. It's just like a brutal climb there. But I like these contours because I don't want to go up. That doesn't look fun. I don't want to go down. It's like straight down. I ain't going down either, you know. I ain't going the way I came. Just gonna keep continuing forward. Yeah, I like that because it really just lets you know it's gonna take you where the trail takes you. can see behind me, that's Copper Mtn Resort, right up in this area. So I'm going to be making my way down this hill, head down there, get a coffee. I'm seeing empty ski slopes, golf course, plenty of what appear to be mid-rise vacation homes. It says go through the construction site. Maybe not where they're like moving and crushing rocks and stuff over there. But see if I can get out of here, if I'm lucky. It should have just been like, just stay on this path. She'll tell me to do something different than what I'm naturally inclined to do, which is just follow the path. You tell me to do something other than what I'm inclined to do, I start doubting things, I end up in this giant lot. Smells like tar. It smells so good in the forest. All the way up yonder. Now going into the little Copper Mountain Village. There's a mandatory mask requirement in here in Summit County, so gotta comply. Stay safe. Stay safe. I'm gonna try to go get me like a coffee milkshake somewhere. I'll see what happens. I did find my coffee drink, so I'm happy about that. Yeah, I'm just kind of like wandering around here in the little like Copper Village, I guess. You can see some of the buildings. I guess like vacation rentals and these sorts of things. I guess in the wintertime, you know, it could be quite popular. I don't know what normally happens here like on a good day. Still a lot closed. There's hardly any foot activity. Not what you kind of expect. It's up from, I don't know, what's kind of developed here. That's really about it. The kid over there was just throwing rocks at his buddy across the river, so that's what's going on here today. At least keeping the imagination alive, you know. There you have it. Copper Mtn Resort. Did my lap, checked out all the closed stores. Most of the people are just kind of hanging out here by the garden. Whoever's doing landscaping is doing a really fantastic job, I gotta say. Thanks for maintaining the flowers, it's pretty nice. Either way, enough of copper. On to Leadville, let's get out of here.